Where is my blue pen? I need to write a letter. Maybe it is in Mia's new school bag. Wait, what is this shiny thing? This is Mia's gold ring. She did not lose it. Leo did not steal it. She had it the whole time.
Mia, Sarah, come to the living room right now.
Yes, Daddy. What is wrong? Why are you shouting? What's wrong with you, honey?
Look at my hand, Mia. What is this?
My gold ring. You found it.
I found it inside your new school bag. You lied to me. Leo did not steal your ring.
Daddy, I can explain.
Did you break the glass vase too? Tell me the truth right now.
Yes, Daddy. I broke the vase with my red ball. I blamed Leo because I did not want to get in trouble.
Oh, it is just a small lie. Do not be angry at Mia. Leo is just a lazy boy anyway.
Be quiet, Sarah. Leo is not lazy. He wakes up at 5 o'clock.
He cooks, he cleans, and he works in the garden. You both treat him like a slave.
He deserves it. I do not like him.
He is my son. I was blind, but now I see the truth. You are cruel and mean. Both of you, pack your bags.
You cannot kick us out. Where will we go?
Daddy, no. Please, I am sorry.
Go live with your sister. I do not care. Leave my house today. You will never hurt my son again.
It is so dark. I am so hungry. Someone is opening the door.
Leo, my boy, are you awake? Dad?
Please do not hit me. I did not steal the ring, I promise.
I know, Leo, I know. Please look at me. I am crying. I am so sorry.
Dad, why are you crying?
I found the ring in Mia's bag. She confessed. She broke the vase, and she hid the ring. I was a terrible father to you. Can you ever forgive me?
You believe me? You really believe me?
Yes, my son. I kicked Sarah and Mia out of the house. They are gone forever.
They are gone?
They will never yell at you again. You never have to cook or clean for them again. And look, Leo, look what I have in my hand.
My mother's picture.
I dug through the dirty trash and found it. Your mother was a beautiful and good woman. And you are a beautiful and good son.
Oh, Dad, thank you. Thank you so much.
Come here, Leo. Give me a big hug.
I love you, Dad.
I love you too, Leo. More than anything. Come out of this dark room. Let's go to the kitchen. I am going to cook a big, hot dinner for you.
You will cook for me?
Yes. And tomorrow, we are going to the store. I will buy you new clothes, new shoes, and a new school bag. Then, we are going to the zoo. Just you and me.
A hot dinner? And the zoo? I am so happy, Dad. This is the best day of my life.
Your happy life is just starting, my boy. Come, let's go eat.